Picture sila, oh. Second day. Ano sabi mo?
Maalala ko sa Scotland, puro pataas.
Di ba, they said. How about you, Dai? What are you going to remember here? You need more coffee? Oh well, later. The very famous Venil viewpoint, or in the background will be Edinburgh Castle. Let's see if this is really beautiful. So high, so high. Oh yeah, worth it. Breakfast, Scottish breakfast. Ang dami, mukhang masarap. Biglang dumami yung tao, oh. Dito sa kinainan naming breakfast sa Zaza's Breakfast Emerald. Ganun talaga tayo, no, Mang? Lagi pag may pinupuntahan tayo, dumadami tao, no? What can you say?
Okay naman. Para maliit lang yung mukha ko dito.
How's the breakfast, Dai?
Fabulous.
Fabulous. Finish, all clean. After breakfast, hiking ulit.
Non mais je sais que de le dire le plus gentiment possible. Et Alex, elle m'a dit non mais c'est ton job, t'as le droit de leur dire.
Hey. Nahapo na ako. Yes! We'll go there! Come on, let's go! We can do this! Huh? Huh. Totoo nga yung sabi nila. Pag nagpunta ka ng Edinburgh, prepare yourself. So much walking, so much uphill. Wait lang. Edinburgh Castle it is.
Wind is blowing through my hair, the lights are shining everywhere. From up above and down below, we fall into the afterglow. So now, this is
Yes. Oh my god, it's magical. So beautiful. Hey, Victoria Street. Parang tayo lang na po naglalakad dito. Saan ba tayo pupunta? Pupunta kami ng St. Andrews Square, kung saan nandun yung mga luxury shops. Baka makashopping kami ng very light. Lalo na tong friend kong mayaman, oh. Bumili ng bag, oh. Hindi ako naniniwala. Siyempre hindi ka naman lagi dadaan dito. Totoo. Ano ka? District nurse?
Yes.
Tapos may dala ka mga bag, no?
Mayabang na gym girl.
Napakayabang nitong isang to, oh. Akala mo ganun ka-strong?
Yes.
Oh my. St. Giles Cathedral. Right?
Yeah.
Pahinga muna. Asan si Dan? Pagod? Ito pagod. The famous Frost Fountain. Pahinga muna ang mga batla. Pagod, Jarn.
May coffee ba yan sa'yo? Ako po sige.
Ang view namin, ganda, oh. Di lang kita.
Wind is blowing through our hair, the lights are shining everywhere. From up above and down below, we fall into the afterglow. So now, this is the perfect night. Tonight. Oh, oh, it's now or never. Come on, let's light up the sky. Oh, oh, now we're together. Come on, let's light up the sky. Just you and I.
was the experience? Ang saya?
Saya.
Hindi nakakatakot?
Hindi.
Oo eh.
Oo nga, hindi.
As in? Dario, try mo na rin daw.
Tara,
Ayoko.
uwian na.
Ayoko. Oh guys, ganito ang gagawin natin. Magbubunutan tayo ng card. Kung kaninong card ang mabubunot, siya ang magbabayad nitong bill natin. Deal? Deal? Deal.
Separate,
No, we'll pay.
pay together?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Hindi na rin.
But you need to pick a card
Oh,
from here. Alright? Pick a card from here. Kunin mo.
Ayusin mo yan.
you know, it's so unfair.
No, it's not
The
unfair.
problem is, this one is so colorful.
So it's up to you.
Oh, okay. The green one.
It's up to you, yeah?
The green one.
No.
Why not?
Don't look, just pick.
I will pick for you.
You
Yeah,
remember me to again.
I did it.
I remember where is the green one.
Oh my god. Oh, me? That's so unfair.
Will you insert your card because it's
Yeah, it's
more than 100?
100. I'm a loser.
Card ko. Card ko.
Loser.
Yeah, you can remove it. Do you need the receipt?
No.
Thank you. Have a good one.